Kato John Paul. Professionally, I'm a painter. I've done Alliance in Motion Global for only 3 years. I saw this business through a friend. He gave me a phone call. When I came, I saw a lot of money. I bought 3 shares that very day. A lot has changed in my life. When I joined in my first year, I managed to buy myself a brand new Mercedes-Benz compressor C200 silver in color. In my second year of doing Alliance in Motion Global, I became Gold Executive. I became Millionaire Circle, and right now as I speak, this is my brand new baby. I'm enjoying the success with Alliance in Motion Global. There is no permanent situation. Life can change only if you choose